morning, guys. Hope you all are doing well. Today is January 29th, and in our devotional, it's a sense of belonging. Galatians chapter 3, verse 28. There is neither Jew nor Gentile, neither slave nor free, nor is there male and female, for you are all one in Jesus Christ. 1 John chapter 4, verse 4. You belong to God, my dear children. You have already won a victory over these people, because the Spirit who lives in you is greater than the spirit who lives in the world. Colossians chapter 1, verse 16. For by him all things were created, in heaven and on earth, visible and invisible, whether thrones or dominions or rulers or authorities. All things were created through him and for him. Psalms chapter 24, verse 1 and 2. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it. The world and all its people belong to him, for he laid the earth's foundation on the sea and built it on the ocean depths. 1 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 27. Now you are the body of Christ, and each one of you is a part of it. Romans chapter 8, verse 9. You, however, are not in the flesh, but in the Spirit, if in fact the Spirit of God dwells in you. Anyone who does not have the Spirit of Christ does not belong to him. And at the bottom it says, God created us for fellowship with him, for togetherness with family and friends, and to have a place where we belong in a community of faith. The need to be committed to something greater than yourself was placed there by God himself. That need is fulfilled through your security with him. There is a group of women and men where you belong, where you love, encourage, and accept one another, bear one another's burdens, and become attached to one another. Spend time with God and a group of men and women where you belong. Okay, that sense of belonging. I like these devotionals. If you all ever get tired of them, let me know, okay? But I love you guys, and we all belong to Jesus, and that's the main important thing. But it does make me think of Pete's disciple server, because we are all family there, and we try to encourage and lift people up and help each other. So if you're not there, do join. It is a wonderful place for encouragement and fellowship. Links in the description. But anyway, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, like, share, and subscribe. Nobody sees them unless you share them. So I love you guys, and until the next video, I hope, if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.